All right, today we're doing a repair on Scot Cuozzo's at 700 Claiborne Road. This is the shingle that we will be replacing. This shingle goes from here to here. So I'm gonna break the seals and then get to it. That was already broke. As you can see, the nail down here, I am just lifting up the shingle just enough to pull these nails out. All right, same here. All right, now we're gonna get the nails up from the row above. As well. All right, this should be enough to pull this out. The old shingle, it's already ripped. Lots of granular loss already. The new shingle we'll be replacing it with. All right. So now I'm going to lift the shingle up just enough to get the nail in there into the nailing zone. Just enough to get the nail into the nailing zone right here. And I also have to lift the shingle up high enough to clear the hammer and also have the nail head flush with the decking. So as you can see here, perfect height. Don't need to lift it up much more than that. And send the nail in. All right, same here. Lift it just enough to clear the hammerhead, as you can see in the video. Okay. Same here. Same here. Now on these upper shingles, we're gonna have to go into the previous nail holes. All right. So we have one right here. So for me to hit this nail, I have to lift it up a little bit higher. Okay, went right in there because it's a previous nail hole. We have two right here. Same here. Lift it up just high enough to get it in there. This nail hole right here. Same thing. Okay. We have one more nail down here. And I'll send it into the previous nail hole as well. As you can see how easy it was to get in there. Now, I'm gonna wipe this to mimic weathering. Once the rain comes, as you can see, this is a fail. We're missing granulars here all the way throughout, which causes